Hello kids, good afternoon. How are you? I am again here to teaching you math subject. Okay? Okay, now what do we have done in our last lecture? We have written number names. Okay? What we have done? We have written number names. Today also we continue with the same topic. We will continue the numbers names. So, all of you open your notebook. Open your notebook, take your pencil, sharp your pencil, your eraser. First, open new page, write today's date. What is today's date? Write on the top of the notebook. Write today's date and write the heading. Okay, I hope all of you have opened your notebook and put the date on the top of your notebook. All of you have written? Yes, very good. Now write the heading. What is the heading today? We will continue the same topic. We will continue with the number names. Okay, in our last topic we have written number names till 30. 30. Now today we will continue from 31. Okay, so first all of you write the heading. After writing date, write the heading number names. Number names. NUMBER number. NAMES number names. Start writing with me. All of you write with me. Copy from the board and write in good handwriting. And write correctly in one time. Don't erase again and again. Don't use eraser in your notebook again and again. It will spoil your copy. It will look dirty. Okay. So write correctly in first time. Number names from 31 to 40. 31 to 40. Number names from 31 to 40. No need to divide your copy, your page in two equal parts. Okay, you don't draw this line. You don't draw this line. Okay, so first on one box write T, and T stands for tens, and another box write O. Here O stands for ones. T stands for tens and O stands for ones. Okay. So 31. Write 3, 1, 31. Now today we are not writing the place value also, because I hope all of you know how to write the place value or how to find the place value of a number. Okay. So today we will write directly the number names of a given number. So today we are not writing the place value. So 31. So write the spelling of 31. THIRTY. 30. ONE 1. 31. Copy this spelling from the board. 31. THIRTY. 30. ONE 1. 31. 31. Now write the next spelling. The next number is after 31 will be 32. 32. Now write the spelling of 32. THIRTY. 30. TWO2. 32. Copy the spelling of 32. THIRTY. 30. TWO2. 32. 32. I hope all are writing. All are writing. Very good. And write fast. Write with me. Copy from the board and copy correctly. Copy correct spelling. Okay. Now next spelling 33. 33. 33. 30, THREE 33, 33. Write this 33, and all of you leave one box after writing one spelling. Okay, leave one box after each number name. Okay, don't just write continue one by one. Leave one box so that it will look nice, it will not look untidy. Okay, 33, THIRTY 30, THREE 33. Next, after 33, 3 4 34, 3 4 34. And what is the spelling of 30? THIRTY 30. And what is the spelling of 4? FOUR 4 34. 34, THIRTY 30, FOUR 34. After 34, which number will come? 35. 35, 35. First write the spelling of 30. THIRTY 30. Next is 5. So what is the spelling of 5? FIVE 5. All of you write this much fast. Write spelling till 35 fast. Write fast. Written. Again I am repeating. 3 1 31. So what is the spelling of 31? THIRTY 30, ONE 1 31. Next 3 2 32. So first write the spelling of 30. THIRTY 30, TWO 32. Next 33. THIRTY 30, THREE 33. After 33, 34. THIRTY 34, FOUR 34. After 34, 35. What is the spelling of 30? THIRTY 30, FIVE 35. You continue from the same page. Okay, because I know you are having space, but I don't have space here, so I am writing this side. Okay, you don't write this side or don't take another page. If you have space in the same page, you continue 36 37 from the same. Okay, and no need to write T and O again. Okay, I am writing because I am writing here again. Okay, now after 35 35, which number will come? 36. 36. Now what is the spelling of 36? What is the spelling of 30? TH spelling of 30. THIRTY 30. And what is the spelling of 6? Say. Very good. Again. SIX 36. 36. Now write what number will come next? What number will come next? What will be the next number? The next number is 36. Yes, very good. Now after 36, 37. So write the spelling of 30. THIRTY 30. This is spelling. The spelling of 30 will continue and it will be same. I hope now all of you have learned the spelling of 30. Okay, 37. What is the spelling of 7? Say all of you. SE. Very good. VEN 7. SEVEN 7. 37. 37. Write of 30? THIRTY. 30. And spelling of 8? EI. Very good. Repeat. GHE. 8. 38. 38. 38. Right? Copy it fast. Copy it fast. Okay. After 38, which number will come? 39. Very good. 39. 39. First write the spelling of 30. What is the spelling of 30? THIRTY. 30. And what is the spelling of 9? NINE. 9. 39. 39. Very good. Write fast. And what is the number after 39? The number after 39 is 40. 40. 40. So what is the spelling of 40? What is the spelling of 40? FORTY. 40. Okay, write fast. Copy it fast. Copy it fast. In the spelling of 40, you will not come. Okay? In the spelling of 40, we will not write you. Only what is the spelling of 40? FORTY. Repeat. FORTY. Very good. Again, FORTY. 40. You will not come in the spelling of 40. Okay. Now again, see, I am again repeating. Now pay attention here. 3, 6, 36. So first write the spelling of 30. I hope now all of you know the spelling of 30. So first write the spelling of 30. Then 6. 36. After 36, which number will come? 37. Okay. So first write the spelling of 30. Then write the spelling of 7. It will become 37. After 37, which number will come? 38. 38. So first write the spelling of 30. THIRTY. 30. Then write the spelling of 8. EIGHT. 8. After 38, which number? 39. So 30. First write the spelling of 30. Then write the spelling of 9. 39. And last is 40. FORTY. 40. FORTY. 40. Copied? All of you have copied? Written? Okay. Now we will continue. The next number name, start from new page, but don't put the date. Okay. May I rub it? Written? All of you have written? Yes. Now write the new heading. Next heading, not new heading. For the same topic we are continuing. So write number names, NUMBER, number names from 41 to 50. Number names from 41 to 50. Okay. Now again write. First all of you write heading first. Write the heading first. Now write in one box T, and T stands for tens, and in one box write O, and O stands for 1. Okay. Now what is our first number? Our first number is 41. 41. Here the place value of 4 is, what is the place value of 4 in 41? The place value of 4 in 41 is tens, and place value of 1 is 1. The place value of 1 is 1. So what is the spelling of 40? All of you repeat. All of you say. Now you know the spelling of 40? Yes or no? Yes. You comes in the spelling of 40? No, you will not come. So what will the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y 40, and O-N-E-1 41. F-O-R-T-Y 40, O-N-E-1 41. Write fast. 41. F-O-R-T-Y 40, O-N-E-1 41. Now after 41, which number will come? 4 to 42. 4 to 42. What is the place value of 4? The place value of 4 is tens, and the place value of 2 here is ones. What is the place value of 2? Ones. So 4 to 42. Now write the spelling of 42. First write the spelling of 40. Repeat. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Again repeat. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Now write the spelling of 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2 42. Write fast. Now which number will come after 42? After 42, 43. 43. So what is the place value of 4 in 43? Place value of 4 here is tens, and the place value of 3 is ones. So it will become 43. Okay. Now what? Write the spelling of 43. What is the spelling of 40? Repeat. F-O-R-T-Y 40. And write what is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. 43. Right. Number will come here after 43? 44. 44. So first write the spelling of 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40, and spelling of 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. 44. 44. Come next after 44. 45. 45. 45. 45. So now next the spelling we will write 45. Right. F-O-R-T-I-V F-I-V-E 5. 45. Write it fast. Write this much. Then we will write the next spellings. First complete it fast. students are writing? All are copying from the board? Yes. Copy fast. Written? Yes. Now we will continue. Now after 45 I am writing this side because I don't have space here, but you don't write, don't take new page. All of you have the space just below this, so you continue from the same page. Okay, don't take new page. If there is space in your page, in your copy, so continue from the same page. Okay, I again writing here T for tens and O for ones, but you don't write it again. Okay, because you are continue from the same page. Okay, now after 45, which number will come? 46. 4, 6, 46. So what is the place value of 4 here? The place value of 4 is tens and the place value of 6 is ones. Okay, now write the spelling of 41. First write the spelling of 40. So F-O-R-T-Y 40. And what is the spelling of 6? S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-I-X 6. 46. Written? Now which number will come? 4, 7, 47. 4, 7, 47. Now tell me what is the place value of 7 in 47? Tens? No, then what is the place value? Ones. Very good. And place value of 4 is tens. Now 4, 7, 47. Write the spelling. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-E-V-E-N 7. 47. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-E-V-E-N 7. 47. After 47, which number? 4, 8, 48. 4, 8, 48. Now write the spelling. First write the spelling of 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Then write the spelling of 8. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. 48. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 48. After 48, which number? 4, 9, 49. 4, 9, 49. So first write the spelling of 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. And what is the spelling of 9? Say. Yes. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. Now what will be the next number after 49? 50. Next number is 50. So what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F 50. T-Y 50. F-I-F T-Y 50. F-I-F T-Y 50. I am writing again the spelling of 50. Copy correctly from the board and copy correct in first time only. No need to erase it again and again. Okay. 50. So learn the spelling of 50 now. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. All of you have written this? Written? Some are writing. Okay. Now number name is 50. We will write only till 50. Now we will continue the number name from 51 tomorrow in our next lecture. Now what we will do again, one more thing we will do today. What we will do? You have written table till 4. Okay. 2, 3 and 4 tables you have written. Now today we will write the table of 5. Okay. So from new page, write the new heading. Write table of 5 and you have to write with me. Okay. You have to write table with me and repeat after me also. Okay. I am writing on the board. You copy the table of 5 and repeat after me also. Okay. Write the heading. What is the heading? Table of 5. Table of 5. Start writing. 5 ones are 5. Repeat. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Repeat and write. 5 twos are 10. Right next, 5 threes are 15. Repeat after me. 5 threes are 15. Next, 5 fours are 20. 20, 20. Repeat. 5 fours are 20. Next, 5 fives are 25. All are writing? All are writing table of 5 with me? Yes. 5 fives are 25. Again repeat. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Repeat after me. 5 threes are 15. All are repeating or not? Okay. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Next, 5 6 are 30. 3 0 30. Repeat. 5 6 are 30. Right next, 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. And 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. Okay, I hope all of you have written a table of 5 also. Now note down your today's homework. Your today's homework is write table. Okay, tables. You have to write tables of 4 and 5. This is your homework. You have to write table of 4 and 5. Okay. For today, this much is sufficient. Now we will continue the number name in our next topic. Bye.